kids! Are you ready to drawing and painting 3 baby sharks with me? Okay, let's start! First, we draw the shark's body. Use curved line. Now it's time to draw the shark's tail. This one has a small and cute tail. We want to draw her mouth with a pacifier. Now draw her stomach with curved line like her back. Right here on her back is a fin to help her swim better. Draw the baby shark's eyes while she's sleeping. There is another fin on this side. It's time to draw the second baby shark. We draw the body like before with curved lines. Wow, it's a beautiful tail. Have you ever seen a shark up close? I have not seen them yet, but I really want to meet them one day. They seem to be good friends. This is also being completed. To paint third shark, I started from pacifier. My dear friends, the third baby shark is finishing. Prepare your watercolor, color pencil or crayons so we can go coloring. I I started with purple color to color the first baby shark. You can use any color you like, even you can make it colorful. Doesn't matter at all, just enjoy coloring. Yellow color. This cute little one is also blue, like color of the sea and the sky. You can use red, pink, or even green. All colors are beautiful. Stay with me after this tutorial. We want to draw a wall and color it. So don't forget to subscribe so we can continue the drawing. Like the previous tutorial, we need curved line for this drawing. We draw the body and the head of the wall with a circular movement from bottom to top. We draw the tail of the whale like two leaves, as simple as that, one small leaf and another bigger one. We also draw a pointed fin next to his belly. gray color. This color is yellow. We need to orange color. We need a lot of blue for the sea and the sky and drops. Green. Thank you for being with me to watch all the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, please like it. I wish you the best. I'll be back soon with new videos.